Look around, there's a whole lot of pretty babies, but none like you. You shine so bright, yeah. I was wondering if you and me could spend a minute on the floor, up and close, getting lost in it. I won't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, girl Tynafey. So today's video is a collaboration video with my girls. We decided to do a Valentine inspired makeup look for you guys to see. We are a number of 8 girls on that channel. So the girls I'm going to be collaborating with Niela. I've done a collaboration video with her before, and I have Sophisticated Damie, I have HD Signature, I love you so much, I have the Tall Black Chick, the Bomber Clad Queen, I have the Maybe, that's so fabulous, I have Miss Z Pro, I have Dorcas, and I have Christine Hurt. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. So these are the ladies I'm going to be collaborating with. I hope you guys subscribe to their channel. Please don't forget to hit the link down below to watch any of their videos. I'll be catching you guys in my next YouTube video. Please stay tuned to watch this whole video to watch how I'm going to transform from this beauty to this. Okay, so to start up with, I'm going to be using a shade called Tan Browns from NYX. So I'm just going to apply it on my lid because we are going for a very bright color eye look. Blend it in. Gone ahead to do my eyebrows off camera. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using this palette from Roxy. It's a Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Roxy Saros palette, Ride or Die palette. Using this shade called Pumpkin, I'm just going to put it on my base and just blend it in. It's kind of like an orange shade. I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm gonna go back in with this shade called Cola. This shade called Cola, kind of my eyes. Then just blend it in with the pumpkin shade. So I think this is looking the way I want it. I'm going to be going in with this concealer I use base. Very soft cut crease. I'm just going to apply it on my palm. Create a very soft cut crease. Create a very short cut crease. Concealer from NYX. A bit from up there. I blend it because my lid, I don't know, sometimes it's not always my best friend, you know. So I'm going to be using this shade Mass, using this shade of Yas, using these 2 shades. So I'm just going to apply the Mass on my lid. Just give it a very nice touch. And I think I'm loving the way it's looking. I'm going to take the shade Yas and just apply it on shade Mass. The eyeliner I'm going to be using is from Shaveline of Shaveline. I'm going to be using these lashes from AliExpress on here on my lash line. So I've gone ahead to apply my lashes, and this is how it's looking. I'm going to be using this tea tree oil. I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty foundation. It's my all-time favorite, and this is how it looks in it. So I'm using the shade 420 because I think that is my skin tone. I'm still trying to like get used to it though. On a little pump on here. So I'm using a foundation brush to blend into my skin. Mixing these 2 concealer this is caramel and tan. Make sure it's well blended. Evolution Super Size Conceal and Define. I'm just going to apply it under here. Right here. My cheekbone. And blend it. So I'm going to be using this Me Max setting powder on the part I want it to be really highlighted. Yes, I think I'm liking this one. So I decided to like mix the iconic and the unicorn shade and just blend it in. I'm gonna go ahead and brush off this powder I have on my face. So I'm going to be using this mascara from Lancome. So for my blush, I'm going to be using this blush from MAC. So for my setting spray, I'm going to be using this setting spray from MAC. Lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick from MAC, Ruby Wood.